Hello my people, welcome to this channel. Thanks for subscribing. Now on this one, Amotekun intercepts 140 travelers in Ibadan, escorts them to Ogun border. Now following the recent threat to attack areas in the southwest region, the Amotekun, which is the security outfit in the Yoruba land, has fastened up all belts and braces to ensure the safety of the southwest region. Some travelers, about 140 of them, were stopped. They were stopped by the Oyo State Amotekun Corps yesterday, and they were not only stopped, but they were also thoroughly checked and interrogated. That's a very good and necessary move to ensure that the security of the people in the southwest region is guaranteed, since the federal government can't guarantee our safety anymore. Now, the news in full details. About 140 travelers from Zamfara en route Ogere, Ogun State, loaded in a truck, were intercepted at Bodija area of Ibadan by men of the Oyo State Amotekun Corps on Tuesday. Some residents around the Bodija market area had notified Amotekun of their suspicion on sighting the truck loaded with bags of onions, beans, potatoes, and motorcycles with men, women, youth, and children stuffed in between. The truck was subsequently moved to the office of Amotekun at Dandaru, Ibadan, where the travelers were interrogated while items in the truck were offloaded and the truck searched. Upon interrogation at the Amotekun office, the driver of the truck, Abuja BWR 143XD, Abdullahi Aliyu, said he was conveying the items and travelers to Ogere, Ogun State, and only offloaded some at Bodija Market. Asked why he was conveying such a high number, Aliyu said he assisted some of them on the journey because they did not have transport fares. Men of the Department of State Service, that is the DSS, and the police were also on hand to search and interrogate the travelers. After search and interrogations, security agencies said no incriminating items was found on the travelers and in the truck. The security agencies subsequently resolved to escort the travelers to the Ogun State border for them to continue their journey to Ogere after their destination had been confirmed. Special Assistant to Governor Seyi Makinde on Arewa, Ahmed Muritala, who was present at the Amotekun office, condemned the truck driver for conveying such a huge number at a time the nation faced security challenges. Muritala said he had called the owner of the vehicle to be wary of conveying such a huge number of people from the north at such a time. He added that he was in support of the travelers being escorted out of the state. Yes, since the bandits and terrorists has threatened to attack, then it is important and necessary to be prepared. It's necessary right now to be prepared to avert any form of attack by all these bandits and terrorists that have already staged themselves in the southwest region. Well, kudos to the Yoruba people for bringing up such a security outfit that would protect the lives and properties of the people in the Southwest. Yes, that's a very commendable act. And just as it seems, they are doing their jobs perfectly well. They did not just intercept the truck. They did not just stop them, but they also checked them thoroughly and interrogated them, even escorted them to the Ogun State border. That shows that they are really serious in protecting the lives and properties of the Southwest citizenry. Now, it's also up to the people to be alert. It's up to the people to be very alert now, because in case you see anything that's suspicious, in case you notice anything fishy, it is your duty to notify these people. And the time has come for everyone to be our brother's keeper, because we can only tackle this collectively. This is a collective effort, it's a unified effort, and it shouldn't just be left to the Amotekun alone. We can also play our part in ensuring our safety, in ensuring our security, just in case we notice any form of attack whatsoever or anything that's going on. We should alert the security agencies, because it is also our responsibility to ensure our safety. So whenever we notice anything wrong, we should notify the Amotekun, just the way they did. The reason why Amotekun intercept these 140 travelers, it was the residents around Bodija market area that notified Amotekun. So that is a very good thing. We should work together in this to ensure our safety. It is a collective effort. I believe the reason why the issue of insecurity has escalated much is because nothing has been done about it. And the government is not concerned about that. Nothing has been done about it. That's the reason why the terrorists and bandits would come out fearlessly to issue threats. Because if they have really been serious in tackling this issue, it wouldn't have gotten to this extent. It wouldn't have. Well, thank God for the Amotekun now. Thank God for the security outfit, and I pray God helps them to restore peace and order to our communities. Thank God, because if we are depending on the federal government for security, it seems like we are just going to wait for eternity. Thank God for the security outfit. Yeah, thank you. Do well to like, subscribe.